This is a Missy Elliott exclusive.
What's up, y'all? This is Missy. Y'all know me and Christina put it down.
Missy Elliott teams up with Christina Aguilera to update the classic hit, Car Wash.
It's called Car Wash. It was performed by Rose Royce in the 70s. And, you know, it's an old record that me and Christina are remaking. So it should be a lot of fun.
Bow down, player, cause this right here will be your worst nightmare. Y'all small tuna fish up one big. This is a Shark's Tale.
Here we go again.
This is a Missy Elliott exclusive.